One name I hear you big up enough besides Ninja Ford,
Yes.
Bounty Killer.
Yeah, man, Bounty Killer are one of the realest artists I know. And Spagga Benz as well. Bounty Killer, 2009, back to 2009, when I do Unfair Officer and I start get popular, I see Bounty Killer in the club and he must say, yo, you have the biggest tune out there. You there on some fest? I say, no, because the thing is with some fest wouldn't start book you from earlier, like January.
Probably January
even
and stuff like
even the year before. No, my song Unfair Officer get popular like June, July.
So you're down in the summer.
Yeah. So them would already book the show already. So Killer say, yo, you know the on it? I say, no. Him say, yo, I have to call you up. Just like that. I never asked him because I think I could even ask someone like that for call me out. And once I see him do that, I'm forever grateful. And him always give me good advice. The other day him see me and him say a whole heap of things, but the part where I can repeat is when him say, yo, the business need you. Because with all what go on and, the catchy thing them what go on, them want a man like you will have the real, authentic vibes. You see me? And your energy where you bring, because I mash up a stage show wickedly, and the way I deal with it, him call me and he must say, yo, youth, don't want you run no joke with your career now, you see me? So he might tell myself to go out more, you see me, which we plan to go out more for the summer, you see me? Because me always in the Wastness, once I now work, me in the Wastness. Yeah. But cool, more time I have a party with the people and all the vibes there.
I remember seeing something somewhere where you said Killa's the one that actually showed you how to make money in the business. What do you mean by that when you say that?
Well, in the Corona timing, we can definitely tell you, me and Killer all a reason and him show me how to make money, you see me? And, it definitely worked for me throughout Corona and thing. I'm not going to give her the sauce, but I have to big up Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer make a whole heap of money in a Corona because my landlord never did a pardon me because Corona. We have to find the rent every month. And Bounty Killer show me how to make the thing work, you see me? So, big up Bounty Killer.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.